Hey foodies, I hope you're all well. Thanks for clicking on today's video. Today I'm making chicken breast with some rice and vegetables. I'm using 2 chicken breasts for this recipe. I already cleaned them properly with lemon juice. Feel free to use vinegar or lime juice. Cut it into 2 because you want the chicken breast to cook properly. And once we're done with this, we're going to add all the seasoning. If you're new here, my name is Kayi and I share quick, easy and very delicious recipes. I'm going in now with the ginger, about a tablespoon, oregano, a teaspoon. I've also added a teaspoon of cumin, of camera, a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and a teaspoon of black pepper. After that, I also added a little bit of oil and I'm going to rub all the ingredients in properly, and I'll let this marinate for 15 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so you can get my notification when I upload a new video. Now it's time to pop this in the fridge for 15 minutes and I will fry it a bit before finishing up with the cooking in the oven. So I just added a little bit of oil in the pan and I'm going in now with the chicken breast. Add a little bit of cayenne pepper to add the heat I needed. Just let it fry a bit, 8 to 10 minutes, and then flip the other side. I'm going to boil some broccoli that I'm going to use to pair with this chicken breast. And as you can see, the chicken breasts are ready. I'm going to set it aside and finish up with the cooking by adding a little bit more oil and the rest of the vegetables. Feel free to add some mushrooms, carrots and any other vegetables you wish to, but today I just want to use only the peppers and some onions. I'm going in now with vegetable seasoning, about a teaspoon, and I will be adding a little bit of cayenne pepper. Mix everything well and saute this for 6 minutes. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok at Kayi's Cuisine. If you are not following me yet, there, kindly do so to see the shorter version of this recipe. The vegetables are ready now and it's time to serve the food. If you are enjoying the recipe, kindly give the video a thumbs up and please do share with family and friends. I'm garnishing this with some dried parsley and there you have it. Lunch is ready and you can pair this chicken breast with some fries, salad, burger, couscous, or just with rice like me. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you all in my next video, and let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair your chicken breast with, and feel free to use fresh parsley as well to garnish your food. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye for now. Au revoir.